Hey Castaways, Ryan and Crystal, the beautiful Castaway Crystal is behind the lens. Today on Aruba, we are at the California Lighthouse, one of our top places, things to do when you're on Aruba. So, you know, most lighthouses are pretty quiet places typically. This place is bananas, man. There's tour buses, there's segways, there's ATV people coming through. There's guys chopping up coconuts for rum drinks. There's a restaurant down the hill that actually looks pretty nice. It's like kind of a little place to be, almost a hub of North Aruba. But we were thinking about climbing to the top. You can climb to the top, but our legs say no because we climbed Hoiberg Hill yesterday. So we are gonna pass on climbing to the top. I did fly the drone around it, got some amazing shots. So you will see that in this video. So if you guys climb to the top, I want to see your photos. California Lighthouse, Aruba, check it out. Cheers.